I almost just cut myself. Oh my God, first cast. First cast I caught a fish. But I don't know what it is. Hell yeah, here we go. Honestly, I'm just glad I got something. What is it? Oh. No, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Little smallmouth, first freaking cast. Oh, I'm pumped. I honestly came down here and did not expect to catch anything. All I'm using is just a little jig with a twister tail and just bouncing on the bottom. Wow, that was first cast. Not bad, not bad. What? Oh. Yeah, so there's ducks everywhere. Actually, just recently, I got another one. Nope, just kidding, I'm snagged. Damn it. There we go, got another one. Gotta loosen my drag. What is this? What the heck is this? Come on, don't pop off. I don't know. I can't tell what this is. Just keeping my drag loose so I can catch it and bring it in. Head shakes, lots of head shakes, so I think it's what I think it is. Oh my God. Another smallmouth. He is tight. There we go. Another smallmouth. This one's a little bit, I think this one's a little bigger. This is awesome. Come on. There we go. There we go. Nice little smallie. Beautiful fish. There he goes. God, I hope I'm getting everything on camera. All right, I'm going to move down a little bit. Right through the branches. Ah, got it. The only reason you get snagged is because you're going for the good spots. Ooh, there we go. There's a fish. It's another little smallmouth. Just gonna let him fight it. There we go. That was cool. Hopefully my hands weren't in the way. I might drag set really loose just because I want to fight him. And I want to make sure I can get him in. Well, this is a good one. This is a really nice one. Oh man, this is a good one. I gotta tighten it to pick him up. Wow, this is a good one. Look at him. He's a good one. Oh, he's stuck. There he goes. All right, I'm back over at my other spot. The spot I started at earlier. And just going to just do a couple more casts. Then I think I'm going to conclude the video. Hopefully I'll be putting out more videos really soon. More fishing content. I'm not very good at fishing, but it sure is fun. Fix this again. So I will see you guys in the next video.